Right, so I've got some wipes, some screen wipes for the inside of the window. Normally, I have to say, I use chamois leather with a warm, damp chamois leather, going around the inside of the windows, cleaning it, because I'm in the car all day as an instructor, 5 days a week, 6 days a week sometimes, and the particles of dust on the inside of the window build up. You don't realise it's there until one day you wipe the window down and there's a streak where you just wipe your finger on, where you're thinking, oh, that's clean there, and the rest of it's dirty. It's like a cloudy film goes over the top of the window. Sometimes it's when you're in the morning, you're wiping the window clear because it's got a bit of damp on it, and sometimes just a little bit of grease has got on the window somehow. And other times, like I was saying, then you could be driving behind the car, it's got a lot of fumes, and them fumes are getting sucked into your window, into your fence, and the vents spread it around the car, and the first thing it hits is the window. And if the window's a little bit damp or it's a little bit warm, it might stick to that, and that's what tends to happen. Is the front window gets most of the dust, most of the particles from the outside on the inside of the window. And normally I use chamois leather, but what I have found that even when these are good chamois leather, it does leave sometimes a little streak here and there. So I thought, for a change, I'll go and buy some. And I bought this. I've not contacted Triplewax because that's what I actually done. I looked on Amazon, and I'll put a link below for you if you want to check it out. Less than a £5, 25 wipes. It says on it, streak free, finish on glass and mirrors, and it says it gets rid of grime, grease. I think it says about there, grime and grease, yeah, grime and grease. Tobacco smoke, things like that, and I'll get it going. So I'll take the camera off. I'll put a camera on the back here, looking at what's going on, and then we'll get what's going on. So I've just done the inside of the window. I used 2 wipes, one for each side of the front of the window, one for the front passenger side, one for the driver's side, because by the time I got halfway across, the wipes, they're not very big. They're about 10 centimeters squared, and even now they feel damp, but they're not soaking, which is what you want. You don't want them being soaking. And on the wipes, you can't see it here, but there's a little yellow stains where it's probably off the window, where, like I say, dust from the outside, because you don't realise it's there. You can be driving along, it's only when the sun hits the window you're thinking, is that sunny outside? And you wipe it's a little bit cleaner. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And when it dried, I can't see any streaks on it, which is where it says streak free. So it's done its job. It'll be interesting what you think about it. If you use these sort of products, do put a comment below. If you use a different product that you recommend, put a comment below, tell me what it is. And like I say, I'll put a link in the description for you if you want to check it out on Amazon. Wasn't very dear, less than a £5. Won't give the exact price, but if you click on the link, you'll probably see the price at the same time. Take care, and I hope this helps you.